Standing on the roof of a dusty van in the middle of nowhere gives you a very specific perspective on gear. You quickly realize that durability is not just a marketing buzzword, it is a survival requirement. When you first hold this 100-watt monocrystalline panel out of the box, the weight of the tempered glass and that anodized aluminum frame tells you everything you need to know. It feels sturdy. It feels like something that can actually handle being bolted to a roof and dragged through 100 miles of dirt roads and thunderstorms. There is a real sense of confidence that comes from hardware that does not feel like it will snap under pressure. But we need to have a serious conversation about what a single panel of this size can actually do for your life. People often talk about solar like it is some kind of infinite magic trick. It is not. If you are looking to keep a small battery topped off so you can charge your phone, run some efficient lights, and maybe power a small vent fan, then you are in the right place. This unit is a champion for those specific modest needs. It is a great entry point for a backyard shed, a small boat, or a camper. However, do not walk into this thinking you are going to run a full-size kitchen or a portable heater off a single panel. That is just not how the physics of sunlight work. The monocrystalline cells are the star of the show here because they are much more efficient at turning light into electricity than the older, cheaper styles of panels. This means you get more energy from a smaller surface area. That is a massive advantage when your roof space is limited and every inch counts. Setting it up is fairly simple if you have some basic tools and a little bit of mechanical common sense. You mount it, you seal it, and you run the wires to your charge controller and your 12-volt battery. If you are a complete beginner, do not be afraid to look at a few guides. Getting your wiring gauges right and making sure your connections are tight is the difference between a system that works and one that creates a real headache. One of the best things about this technology is that it has no moving parts. There is nothing to wear out or grind down over time. You just have to be diligent about keeping it clean. A thin layer of dust or a stray leaf can really hurt your performance. Shading is another huge factor. Even a tiny shadow from a nearby tree branch can slash your power production significantly. You have to be strategic about your placement. This panel thrives in that direct, high noon sun. On a cloudy day or during the early morning hours, you will see a massive drop in output. That is just the reality of solar power. It is a reliable tool, but it is not a miracle. If you understand those limits, it is an incredible piece of equipment. It is well built and honest about its capabilities. Just remember to invest in some high-quality weatherproof cables and connectors if you plan on leaving it out in the elements for years. The basic stuff that comes in the box works, but you would want something more robust for the long haul. This is a solid gateway into a larger world of self-reliance. It is reliable, sturdy, and does exactly what it says without any fluff. Just make sure you understand the scale of your own power hunger before you bolt it down. It is about building a system that fits your actual life. This brand has a reputation for lasting, but that only matters if you treat the installation with the respect it deserves. Keep it clean, keep it in the sun, and it will keep your gear humming along for a very long time.